Okay, so this is a short video to tell you so you can access the problem sets in your reference book, online reference book, like the sort of like your textbook problems that are assigned throughout this year, as well as the solutions. So the first thing you want to do is click on course materials. So once you're under content, course materials, and then you should see a Algebra 1, a reference guide and problem sets. Okay. There's an online text as well as web-based. I'm going to click on the web-based. And you'll see up here that it says page number because this is all of Algebra 1 and continuing algebra is just parts of this. Some of it was developing last year. So I'll give you the page number. So for today, I believe it was page 402 was assigned. And you can scroll down and you'll see the problems 1 through 27. And then there's a challenge problem that I didn't assign. Okay, so you would just grab your notebook and paper and pencil and start trying to answer these questions. The first one says write each number as the product of its prime factors. So there's prime factorization. And then each number is a prime or composite. So you have to identify it and then finding GCF. Once you have that and you want to find the solution set, just go back and you'll see under here solution map. Again, I'm going to hit the web-based. And I'll tell you what page the answers are on for that problem set. And I was 206. And then these are your answers, so you can check your answers to see if you're correct. Okay, if you got them incorrect, can you figure out what your mistake is? If not, then that's when you ask your teacher, me, for some help or come to office hours. Hopefully this video is helpful.